Hi there. In this video, we'll cover how to update the PowerVault disk firmware when alerted by a SupportAssist enabled PowerVault manager. If a disk firmware update is available, you'll be notified from the PowerVault manager dashboard. Information alerts will show a notification. Click on Information Alerts and click on the alert in the panel for more information. We recommend to update disk firmware updates when they become available to help maintain optimal system performance. Click on the Maintenance option on the left and then Support and then Event History to expand on the update information. The event code 650 is written to the event history log every 12 hours to draw your attention. CLI commands are available to check for updates. The information for this is found in the knowledge base article link in the description below. For this example, we will find and download the firmware update from the Dell support website. Navigate to the support site at dell.com/support. From the home page, enter your service tag in the search box to navigate to your system's details. From the Systems Overview, click on the Drivers and Downloads tab. Scroll down to find the available downloads for your machine and download the most recent storage firmware. From your Downloads window, locate and unzip the firmware file. Once extracted, you'll find several folders covering multiple drive manufacturers and a README text document. Before performing any firmware upgrade, first open the README text file and read the first steps. It is important to stop the I/O to the storage system before attempting the update. During the update, the volumes will be temporarily unavailable. The update itself takes several minutes to complete, so ensure the power to the system isn't lost during the update to avoid any complications. Lastly, we need to ensure that the correct firmware file is selected. To identify the disks and check their versions, from the PowerVault Manager, select the Maintenance option on the left, and then Firmware, and select the Disks tab. In this example, the system is using Seagate SAS drives. Take a note of the model of the specific drives and be aware that not all of your drives will be the same. Open the README document and search for the drive model number. Check the information matches the drive and identify the firmware file. For this example, the file's name is st5e.lod. Back on the PowerVault Manager, click on Browse for File and navigate to the unzipped download folder. As these examples are Seagate, open the Seagate folder and look for the file 5t5e.lod. Ensuring the I/O has been stopped and you are prepared for the downtime while the update is in progress, check the boxes next to all the drives this update applies to and begin the firmware update. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.